Hello everyone, today is day 19 and we learn about advanced level of birds and their different postures. So I'll draw in half of the page the proper bird and give you the examples here in different postures. You can make in different sheets also. So I'll divide the half page only and I'll give here numbers. So you can make it in bigger sheet also. So let's start. We need to make a semicircle over here and make the body of bird. You can draw a lighter line to make the tail. Now we'll add the wings from here to top. Make another one over here. Make beak and eyes. That's the one posture of bird. Now we'll make two more or three more. It depends. Now the sleeping, how it moves downward. That's one part. Now we'll make the circle, beak, the body, add the wings. It just came to the tree. We'll make another one here. Add wings. One is here, one it on the top because that's on the different side from this posture. Now add tail. That's a little lag. So that's how we make different position of birds. You can detail it, color it as you want. Is it easy? Thank you for watching. Do like, follow, subscribe. Thank you so much.